Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
There's no such thing! I mean it! That spaceship fell over Aracha!
The nerve.
You can do it. If you pedal too slowly, then you'll fall down. You can trust me.
Here goes!
Movie. I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. TTF.
Huh? Oh, sure. That's a very popular flavor. Huh? Whoa!
Welcome to the Rusty's Racing Center. You have no idea how much I've been looking for.
To St. Louis, a Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Parts dealer in Paris, a treacherous lowlife, but he's the only car in the world who can tell us whose engine this is.
Ready? All right, Dan. Get it in! Ow. Excuse me. Pardon me. Hey. Coming through. Good to see you. My bad. Hey, Ricky. How's the kid? Watch your hood.
Of the Lower Belleville County Unified School District. Aha, laugh it up. Real fun.
Easy greasy. And I'm still clean as a whistle.
Dead, he emerged 36 days later, running on a fuel he distilled himself from the natural.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
Campeón Chiquis con el corredor que ha creado todo un revuelo, Jackson Storm, otro gran
Low and new. I haven't seen a road like this in years. Well, then let's cruise.
I hereby dub thee Sir Tomica.
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite!
Actually, this is my good side here.
Then come. Does the King Strip Weathers have one more victory in him before retirement?
He's been Danico's.
Get right through.
He decides when he's done racing. That was the deal. Hi, I'm Miss Lou.
That was the day.
See? That Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is
DJ, lay down some beats, man.